Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable device portal option in Windows 10. So if you want to do it, you need to click right mouse button icon with a start, and then you need to go to settings. Here you must go to update security, Windows update recovery and backup settings, and then from the left panel you need to select something like for developers. Now you can find here settings that are intended for development use only. First you need to enable developer mode, so you click here and you click here yes. Then you can check that device portal settings are available now. So if you want to turn on remote diagnostic over local area network connections, you need to click here and you will see here information that turning on device portal will install the Windows developer mode package, and you have question here if turn on device portal. If you are sure that you want to enable it, you just need to click yes button. After that, installation process will be started in. So it's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to check links in description.